Hi, we are Team Smiley and we will be doing a video demonstration of our web page. So now, we are at the dashboard where users are able to redirect themselves to the login page. For new users, they should create a new account at the sign up page before they proceed to login. So now, we will be creating a new account first. Now, we will log in to the account that we have just created. Here is the landing page where users are able to create a new course by triggering a pop-up upon clicking on the Add a Course button. Users are then able to input a course name, a course code, and whether they want to enable repeated reminders. On the second page of the pop-up, users could reorder the priority of their courses by dragging and dropping before submitting the course that they have added. So here you can see that I've placed CS2040S in front of MA1522. As you can see in the landing page, CS2040S would be ordered before MA1522 in the order of their priority. We will be creating 3 courses here to show how users can reorder their course priorities. I will be placing Orbital in the middle of these 2 courses. As you can see, Orbital will be created in the middle of the 2 courses earlier. After adding a course, users should be able to see their current week's task and the following week's task. They can choose to view the task by the order of nearest deadline or in the order of decreasing priority. The nearest deadline sorting feature first sorts according to the nearest deadline. If 2 deadlines are the same, then the tasks will be compared in the order of task priority, then course priority, and lastly, alphabetical order. The decreasing priority feature first sorts according to the highest priority. For tasks with the same priority, the algorithm would sort according to the nearest deadline first, then course priority, and lastly, alphabetical order. By clicking on Add a Task button, users could create additional tasks as they wish. The pop-up triggered allows users to select the course specific to the task, input a task name, select a priority level, and a due date. Note that you are not allowed to create a task whose due date is in the past. By creating a task due today, a notification will be sent shortly to remind the user that the task is due today. Based on your notification settings, you should be able to see the notification in your notification bar. By creating a task that is due tomorrow, a notification will also be sent shortly to remind the user that the task is due in 1 day. This is also because of the notification settings, which we will show later. To view the entire course-specific task list, users can click into the respective course containers. Here, you can see the progress bar of the task due this week, as well as the percentage of tasks completed for the whole course. To change the color theme of the user interface, click on the profile icon on the top left-hand corner. Here, you can choose your favorite color settings. If you do not wish to be disturbed by Smiley's notifications, click on the settings icon on the top right corner. Here, you can enable or disable notification preferences and set notification timings to your liking. You can also change the priority level set for default tasks in the Add Course page. Notice that the priority levels of these default tasks have now changed. As you can see, tutorials are now set to high priority, lectures are also set to high, and quizzes are now set to low. Also, task order remains sorted in the upcoming task list. If you have found any bugs or have any suggestions to improve Smiley, do drop us a feedback from the settings page. Upon submission of the feedback, you should receive an email to show that your feedback was well received. At the same time, developers would also receive the feedback with your user information and feedback details. This concludes our video demonstration for Milestone 3. Thank you.